A busy salon with 2 stylists and a full waiting area. And the only tool behind it is a Google Sheet. No app, no developer, no apps script. Whoever's at the counter types one thing, the customer's name, picks the stylist from a drop-down, and taps checked in. That's the entire job. Behind the scenes, the sheet is watching how long each stylist actually takes per customer today, and using that real number to estimate everyone's wait. Every waiting customer gets a live position and a wait estimate in minutes, recalculated the moment the stylist calls the next name. Put this tab on a screen in the waiting area, and customers read their own status off it. No one has to ask the counter. Formulas, checkboxes, and one shared sheet. Make your own copy and run it in your own salon today.